I purchased this 2009 Saturn Sky Redline. As soon as I made the purchase, I started upgrading it. I installed a Holland intercooler, some charge pipes, custom turbo header, 58mm dual ball bearing precision turbo, full exhaust, stage 3 clutch, the good stuff. In 2012, while out driving, I ended up getting impatient, stuck behind the car in the fast lane for many, many miles that would not go faster or slower than a car in the slow lane. When there was finally a gap large enough to squeeze through, I floored it to get around. The roads were still a little wet from the night before, and my turbo spooled up faster than I thought it would. This caused the back end of the car to break loose, and I lost control. I ended up spinning the car, jumped over a barrier backwards, and hit a truck head-on as I was spinning, thus the damage to the car. As you can see, the airbag never deployed when I hit the truck head-on. I was able to walk away with a swollen knee because the force of the impact pushed my knee into the key that was in the ignition, actually bending the key sideways. The accident was totally my fault, and I cannot blame anybody else but myself. My insurance company did pay for everything. One good thing, I had gap coverage on the car, and even though I owed less than what the car was worth, with the gap coverage, it put $2,000 towards the next purchase of a new car. I also was given more than I paid for the car with my insurance payout.